Hey friends, if you encounter this error, graphic driver crashed, Valorant keeps crashing, then please watch this video. Now, since the issues with the graphic drivers, first of all search for device manager and open it, and then expand the list for display adapters and right click and update all the drivers. But if this doesn't work, first of all I'll show you update all the drivers, then check the system requirements for Valorant. Okay, check if you have a GPU that is at least GeForce 1050 Ti or above. If it is less than that, then you will face problems, and it should be at least a 1 GB graphics card. But I'll tell you something, if you really want to play Valorant, then buy at least a 2 GB graphics card, and the graphics card should be, other than this 2 GB, it should be at least RTX 2050. So if you have an older one, then you will have to upgrade. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.